Today we're going to do a quick how-to video on how to rekey this lock from this key to this key using this tool. The first thing you want to do is make sure the door cannot close. You don't want to get locked out of your house. The second thing we're going to do is we have this key, and this is what we want to use for a key. So we're going to put that in there and make sure it's compatible. So push it in as far as it will go. If it goes all the way in, it's compatible. The next thing we're going to do is put the lock in the locked position so that the lock is out. Next, turn it 90 degrees. We're going to insert the tool into the little hole right here, all the way as far as it will go. Pull it out. Pull the key out. Now we're going to put in the key that we want it to be. And we're going to turn it 180 degrees. Then back up to 90 and pull out the key. Now let's see if that worked. Hey!
Success.
Success. Now one more thing. Let's check the old key that came with the lock and see if it works. And it doesn't. So we have successfully rekeyed this lock.
Very good.
To make us happy.
And we did promise you a super short video, so if you like what you saw, we'd appreciate that thumbs up as always. Want to follow along with everything we do here on the We Are Mud Fun channel? Right down there in the corner, just click it and you're in. After you do that, don't forget to ring the bell and you'll be notified every time we put out a new video.
If you have any questions or comments, you can put them right down below, or you could just say hi.
Because we'll say hi back. We always do. Until our next video, where the bugs are getting bad. I'm Chuck.
And I'm Cheryl.
Bye.
The end.